We are cooking shrimp. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we have a quick dip recipe for you to enjoy. We are making our simple shrimp dip recipe. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Peel fresh shrimp. Dump water from bowl and replenish it. Devein shrimp. By removing the shrimp's digestive tract. Place shrimp in fresh water. Take a moment to give this recipe a thumbs up and share it. Check out our channel for other tasty party dip recipes. Subscribe and click notifications to stay current on new recipes. Open beer and pour it into a pot. Bring to a boil and add shrimp. Cook until shrimp turn a deep fiery orange color, 3 to 5 minutes. Don't forget to stir the shrimp as they cook. Remove from heat and cool in a colander. What summertime dips do you enjoy? Let us know in the comments. You might see your favorite in a future episode. Make dip by placing cream cheese into a large bowl. Add mayonnaise. Whisk to combine. Also add hot sauce and Worcestershire sauce. Whisk again. Pour in dried spices. You know what to do. Taste. If needed, add more hot sauce and Worcestershire sauce. Keep whisking and combining. Chop green onions. And add them to the bowl. Combine. Grab the beer that you cooked the shrimp in. Add 1 tablespoon of it to the bowl. Combine and set aside. Chopped shrimp. Add shrimp to the bowl. Combine until shrimp are completely coated with the sauce. Cover and refrigerate a minimum of 4 hours. If you are enjoying this recipe, like and share it. Also, subscribe to our channel. Doing so helps us grow. After 4 hours, squeeze in fresh lemon juice. Also add more Creole seasoning and white pepper. Gently combine. Grate Parmigiano Reggiano cheese into the bowl. Fully combine. And transfer to a serving bowl. Garnish with more green onions. And serve. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.